I'm going to show you my favourite pesto to make. It's not the traditional pesto. I've done it on the channel before, years ago. I made it with potato salad and I made it with gnocchi, but it's fantastic with pasta. And I keep saying it, it's quick, it's simple, it's delicious. Let's go. Okay, first what you want to do is toast some almonds and make sure your pan is on a low heat. Also, watch them like a hawk because these will burn. Right now, put to one side. Nothing beats fresh, homegrown basil. The smell and taste, it's just different compared to the grocery store. Next, add sun-dried tomatoes to a food processor. I'm using the California brand. I just think they taste delicious. Followed by toasted almonds, which the smell is amazing by the way. And 1 large garlic clove. Garlic is the king in this pesto. Fresh basil and blitz for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add olive oil. I just want to say, this pesto is amazing on warm focaccia bread. Take it out of the oven, spread it on there, amazing. And also great on toast. Add pesto to a bowl, season to taste and put to one side. Now for the roasted Brussels. Quite a lot of people don't like Brussels sprouts because they boil them. Never boil them, you're not going to appreciate them, they're not going to taste good. The best way to get flavour out of a Brussels sprout is saute it or roast it, trust me. Add a good lug of olive oil, season well with plenty of salt and pepper, mix well, now place in a 425-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. You see that nice dark char? That is what you want. It just creates some nice texture and flavour. Right now, get your pasta on. I'm using dried farfalle, but if you can't find farfalle, cafatelli, pasta shells, orecchiette and penne all work well. While the pasta is cooking, season the chicken well. I'm using tenderloins. Add olive oil to a hot pan, add the chicken and cook. It's important to get a nice golden brown on the chicken. Right now, we're nearly there. Add cooked pasta to a largish bowl, followed by that delicious pesto. You can add as much as you like. Add the Brussels and chicken. Now give everything a good stir. Season to taste if it needs it. I topped it off with some fresh basil, olive oil and some Parmesan. A great, quick, easy and delicious meal. Thanks guys.